Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. It is awesome. It is your guys' Friday of the week because remember, we do not have school tomorrow or Friday. So today we're going to practice logging into Wonders again, and you guys are going to do an activity. So you're going to answer some questions to show us what you've learned over the past 8 weeks. So just to show us what knowledge you've gained. And remember, it's okay that every answer does not have to be correct. Nothing has to be perfect. You're just showing us what you know, what your brains know, not what your adult that's at home with you or your sister or sibling, whoever's home with you knows. We want to see what you know so that we can help you learn and grow your brains even more. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on remembering how to log into Wonders, and we're also going to go over how you will do that activity that I talked about. So remember, if you have a school iPad, the app looks just like this, okay? And if you don't have a school iPad or you're on a desktop, the link will be in the Seesaw assignment as well. So remember, you'll just click on this, and it will take you to this page. So then you'll find your teacher's class. So remember, if you're in Miss Gilmore's class, you're going to look for the robot and the G. The robot and the G to know that that's Miss Gilmore's class. And remember, if you're in Miss Tappy's class, you're going to look for the duck and you're going to look for the E at the end of Miss Tappy's name. And friends, if you're in my class, you'll just look for the bear because I'm the only teacher that has the bear. So you'll just look for the bear and you'll click on whichever class is yours. Okay, so here's my class. And then you'll find your name. So for today, I'm going to log in as Marvin. So I look and I find Marvin. He's the sea turtle. Okay. So friends, then you're going to type in your password. And remember, your password is always a number, a fruit, and a shape. So when you get to this part, you'll type in your password and you'll click the login button, which is right down here. Okay, so now I've logged in as Marvin and it comes up to this. So you're always going to click this dark blue launch button. So it's dark blue and it says launch. So that means it has an L on it. So you click that button and it takes you to this. So the one you will click on tomorrow is this one that has the clipboard with a check mark on it. And it will have the number 1 on it because you have something to do. And that's what it says. It says to do. So we're going to click on that. And it takes us to these sorts of things. So, for example, it'll have your to-do list in here. So, because this quarter we're going to use Wonders. So it would have your to-do list in here. It would have your work. And then when you go to My Test, that's where you will find your assessment. So as you can see, once I clicked on My Test, okay, it has Unit 1 Assessment, Grade 1, Unit 1. So that's already clicked on for you, and you just hit Launch Assessment. So then it comes to a page that looks like this. And you're going to hit Start Assignment, which is this blue button in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay. So then what you'll do is you'll click the play button to listen to the instructions. So Wonders reads the instructions to you. So once you click on the button and you listen to the instructions, you'll click Next Question. Okay. Excuse me, friends. So then you're going to do the same thing. So here you have a story to listen to called Flip Can Play. Okay, so it has pictures to go with the words, so you can scroll down while you listen to that. So you would click the play button to listen to that, and then you would click the play button to listen to the question. So it'll read the question and the answer choices for you. So what you'll do next is you'll pick the answer that you think is correct. So obviously I didn't listen to the story, so Miss Greathouse is just going to pick one. And so once you have one of the bubbles filled in, you're going to go back to the bottom left-hand corner over here and hit next question. So it's another question about the story Flip can play. So if you need to, you'll listen to the question or the story again, and then you'll listen to the question, pick your answer, and move on. Now, when you have answered all of the questions, there will be a different button to hit. So once you've answered all the questions, and obviously Ms. Greathouse didn't go through and do the whole test, so you can see here that it says I have some incomplete questions. You will come to the last page, and in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll hit Submit Assignment. Okay, and it says your assignment has been submitted. Click View Score Details to view your score. So if you want to look at the score that you got, so how many you got right, you would click this View Score Details, which is once again in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, so Miss Greathouse didn't try, so I got 0 out of 32 points. And so when you're finished looking at your score, you're going to come to the top right-hand corner and you're going to hit this close button. Okay, and it takes you back. So then what you're going to do to go back to the first Art of Wonders is you're going to click the Wonders button right here, and it takes you back here. And what you guys can do is you can go play phonics games, okay, which it looks like there aren't any available due to your test, or you can go to the right option, which is a notebook with a pencil, and you can practice writing your letters. So this will help you practice writing specific letters. Then when you're finished, you'll go up here and you'll hit log out. And that is where it will take you. Okay, friends, you're going to do an awesome job on your assessment. You're going to show us all the knowledge you've gained over the past 8 weeks. And I hope that everyone has a great weekend. If you have any questions, definitely talk to your teacher and we will help you out so that you can get this finished. Bye, guys.